Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your Epic Games credentials and the consoles involved. This prevents lockout. Once you've logged into Epic on a browser, go to Account Connections to view linked platforms. Make sure you know which console you want to add and which one will be secondary, because platform linking rules prevent duplicate ownership. Next, sign out of Fortnite on the target console so you can sign in with the Epic account. This initial setup avoids conflicts when the system checks ownership and progress. You now perform the actual link on the Epic site. This is the critical middle step. Open Connections platforms, pick the console brand, then click link and follow the sign-in prompts on that console's account page. This uses OAuth, so accept permissions. Once done, Epic displays which items will transfer or remain platform locked. Pay attention. If a console is already linked to a different Epic account, you'll need to unlink it there first. Otherwise, the new link won't succeed. Confirm changes before proceeding. You finish by launching Fortnite on the newly linked console and signing in with your Epic account. This finalizes sync. Once loaded, verify that saved progression and transferable cosmetics appear. Understand that platform-locked purchases may not. If something fails, first check for account conflicts. Another Epic or console account might already own the link. Then clear cache or restart both consoles and retry the link process. If problems persist, use Epic account settings to unlink and relink carefully, step by step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.